let's talk about. I want to start off talking about this interesting phenomenon that I'm seeing. Last year, 2022, we there was a lot of press around layoffs and how many companies were laying off and where these layoffs were happening and in what sectors. And so I wanted to check. I wanted to see because that's been relatively missing in today's narrative, right? Is talks about the layoffs and how many people are unemployed, but rather what's going on in the news today is more around the lower percentages of those who are unemployed. And I just kept thinking about that, and I thought, let's compare it to what was going on in 2022. So this is a handy site, layoffs.fyi. And we saw, and this is specifically in the tech space, right? So we saw 1,059 companies lay off 164,744 employees last year, all of 2022. So, you would think that based on all of the good news that we're hearing about the economy, that, if anything, our numbers would be much, much lower than that for 2023, right? You'd think, oh, okay, well, yeah, things are going well in the tech space. And I mean, because we hear that all the time, that's the narrative. So all you have to do is click over to 2023 and you're going to see that, wow, actually, we're July 24th, 2023, and we're actually at a much higher number for layoffs, aren't we? 221,655, and the year is just about halfway over. So I find this interesting. Less companies laying off more people. And, just keep an eye on this. It's just, I think that as we navigate this time, we have to do it with a lot of common sense and a lot of digging to really what is going on in the economy rather than what we're told. So I just found this interesting. If we were to annualize this number, you're looking at about 400,000 people for all of this year, right? Makes sense? 221,000, we're July 24th. If we annualize that number, we're looking at 400,000 compared to last year. All of last year, 164,000 people laid off. So, just kind of do your own. I've always been an advocate of doing your own research, thinking for yourself, really looking at